Hello and welcome to my channel Pharma Companion. Today we'll discuss about the topic CMC, EU, MHRA and TGA, which is of the subject regulatory affairs. So let's begin with the topic CMC, Chemistry, Manufacturing and Control. CMC plays an important role in development, manufacturing and marketing of the pharmaceutical products. Its team has similar function to the product development team. It is focused on manufacturing registration facilities and site inspection. It ensures compliance to CGMP, current good manufacturing practices, and clinical practice. Every guidance document provided by the ICH has CMC section format in the application form. It is a small section of the application but often becomes a reason for delay in the approval of NDA. It is a significant document for ANDA, which means that CMC is a small section, but it is an important section in the NDA and ANDA. It is present in the application form. It consists of three different sections: uh, synthetic chemistry, analytical chemistry, and formulation chemistry. Now, let us talk about the CMC regulatory affairs. It is a part which is legal requirement required to obtain and maintain regulatory approvals. It is a type of information. It must be updated throughout the drug life cycle. And three government regulatory affair agencies which require CMC are FDA, Food and Drug Administration; EMA, European Medical Agency; JPMA, Japanese Pharmaceutical Medical Devices Agency. Now, CMC comes under the 21 CFR Code of Federal Regulation 312.23A7 to assure identification, quality, purity, and strength of the investigational drug. CMC review at IND stages are consist of three phases. Phase 1, CMC evaluates mainly from the point of risk to patient, and phase 2 and 3 CMC evaluates safety. Post phase 1 submission, in this phase CMC is submitted by after demonstration that marketed drug have similar strength as of that investigational drug. Now, uh, what are the contents of CMC? First is name and location of the manufacturer and testing site, and characteristics of the API, and description of the product, and analytical method and specified test, release and stability testing of both API and dosage form. Now let us move to the second topic, European Union. It is an intergovernmental economic union of European countries having internal single market through the standardized system of laws. Now what is the role of EMA, European Medical Agency? It is a decentralized agency of European Union. It plays an important role in the regulation of medicines. It supervises the pharmaceutical companies who develop medicines. It is responsible for protection of public and animal health by ensuring that medicines available on the EU market are safe and effective and of high quality. It enables one application, one assessment, one market authorization for the whole of European countries. Okay, and let us discuss about what are the guidelines of European Union. EU prepares scientific guidelines in cooperation, scientific committee working groups, and then the information goes to guidelines, defines the update in development in biomedical sciences. Then EMA guides the programs which encourage the pharmaceutical company to manufacture the best quality product. Authorization of EU. Manufacturers, importers, and distributors of medicine in EU must be licensed. Registered manufacturer will be inspected by the EU competent authority. Imported orders will be recognized for the bioequivalence according to the standards. Therapeutic good administration. This is the third topic, TGA. These are all small topics. These are all small topic of the drug regulatory affairs, but as well as important topic, and these are all theoretical and doesn't contain much of content. The TGA is a regulatory body for therapeutics good in Australia. TGA is responsible for conducting assessment and monitoring activities of the drug and pharmaceutical substances to ensure that therapeutic good available in the Australia are of good quality, acceptable quality and standard. TGA Act as enacted to provide framework for regulation in the therapeutic goods in Australia. Australian Register of Therapeutic Goods is a form of computer database that are entered in the therapeutic goods before supplying. Australian manufacturer of all medicines must be licensed under Part 4 of TGA and manufacturing process must comply with GMP principles. Now, what are the elements to regulate? First is licensing and audit of manufacture. Each manufacturer of medical products should have license to compliance with principle of Act and GMP. Second is pre-market assessment. It involves the study of toxicity and dosage form. It involves the risk in determined by side effects and adverse effect on prolonged use. Third one is post-marketing regulatory authority. It involves the monitoring of adverse effect, random surveillance, and audit of GMP. Now, as we can see, this flowchart or this diagram shows what are the contents of drug regulation. First is drug information center, second is quality control, third is drug regulatory boards, fourth is drug regulatory agencies, and fifth is also that. Now, medicines and healthcare product regulatory agencies, which is MHRA. It is a government agency which is responsible for ensuring that medicines and medical devices which are used for the treatment and diagnosis of disease are of acceptable quality and safe. It also includes the quality and safety concern of blood and blood products. It regulates a wide range of material which are used for making medicines and medicine products. Now let us discuss what is the role of MHRA. It operates the post-marketing surveillance for operating, investigating, and monitoring of the ADR to medicines and incidents, and also for medical devices. It regulates clinical trials of medicines and medical devices. It monitors and ensures the patient compliance. It promotes safe use of medicines and devices. It manages the General Principle Research Database (GPR), and it also works by enforcing of laws. Now, what are the contents of this? Let us see. Licensing, manufacturer and dealer license, clinical trial license, parallel import license, then safety and efficacy monitoring. These are all the role of MHRA. Monitoring of safety and quality standards monitored by regular inspection of goods and safe practice, medicine manufacture and supply, medicines distribution and storage, clinical trials, auditing of all goods and materials, and then laboratory testing. Then how do these agencies or MHRA deal with the faulty medicines? This agency, MHRA Defective Medicines Report Center, reports to the are reported by the healthcare professional, hospitals or wholesale uh, distributors. Then and tells them when a medicine is recalled when a concern about the quality that will affect safety. There is a MHRA Defective Medicine Report Center to which uh, reports are reported by the healthcare professionals or doctors and physicians and hospitals and wholesale distributors. There are four classes in the dealing with faulty medicines. Class 1 requires immediate recall because the defect could harm the patient and is life-threatening risk to health. Second is requires the recall of medicines within 48 hours because the defect could harm the patient and it is not life-threatening. Class 3 requires action to be taken in 5 days, and Class 4 alerts advise caution when using the product, also indicates that product poses no threat or to the patient life. That means the Class 4 is only caution as mentioned in the normal medicine. Then what is the licensing process of MHRA? First of all, the application is given to the clinical trials and then evaluated by the MHRA. If the application is not satisfied, it is considered not satisfied, and if it's satisfied, it is promoted to clinical trials. Then clinical trials are being conducted. Then the results of clinical trials take place, and the experts analyze or assess the data. And if that doesn't satisfy them, then no license is given. And if it satisfies them, then they are given the marketing authorization. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you so much for watching.